Good day guys, and welcome back to our channel again. Today is the new task that has been ruled by our dear TAO by inspect. All right, so as you can see here, it says submit 23 reward, subnet 23 rewards, interaction with nuanced content. So once you complete this task, you are going to get 23 rewards. Okay, so the first thing to do is to quote or retweet the particular tweet by nuance subnet. Okay, then add this hashtag to your post. So this tag is how emissions are tracked. So they are going to use the tag to track the emission. All right, so that is it. Start mining TAO for your nuanced post. So after you've done that, then you're going to submit the tweet you reposted from your timeline into this space, and then you're going to submit. So kindly watch closely as we are going to do this together. And again, if you're on the channel for the first time, we usually post content like this, so you don't miss anything. Kindly subscribe, like the video, and also turn on our notification to get the update as early as possible. Now they said turn your post into on-chain TAO rewards by following the steps below. Start mining the TAO. So you're going to start mining from here, and this is the quotes. This is the post you're going to quote. Okay, so verify and submit the task. All right, so here's the link you are going to use to get to the task dashboard. So in case you can't find it, I'm going to drop it in the video description so that you can get it as quick as possible. Also, I'll be dropping my Twitter handle, my X handle in the comments or in the video description so that you can get it as early as possible. So don't forget to interact with this. Okay, so now I'm going to copy the hashtag. All right, so once I've done that, I'm just need to go back to the task dashboard. Okay, so now you click on quotes retweets by this post. Okay, now I'm going to quote the tweet. Okay, once you've done that, paste the hashtag. As simple as that. That is the nuance inspect.xyz. Okay, so after I've done that, just give it a space. Then I'm going to click on repost up here. So that is done. Then you can just go to your timeline. So here on my timeline, so here is the post. All right, so I've just quoted the post here. You can see my quote here. Okay, so for you to copy the URL now, simply click on the share icon there. Okay, now it says copy, share via link or bookmark. So then click on copy link. That's the first option down here. You can see it from here. Okay, now it has been copied. So we need to go back to the task dashboard again. All right, then input the URL down here. Okay, so input it, then you can simply click on submit. All right, and task submitted successfully. Your submission is being reviewed, so you can see it up here. Okay, so and that is it. You are done. So don't forget again, all activities on X matters, both your likes, your posts, your retweets, and everything. So keep engaging. This airdrop is going to be mind-blowing. All right, so and I wish you all the best and see you in the next one.